What's good, y'all? It's me, Brandon Properly Fly, back with another review. This time on the Saint Laurent Paris SL10 sneakers in black and gold. Excuse me. So, let's get started. Oh, well, you have a nice, very, very nice black Saint Laurent bag and engraving detail here. I'm all about detail, so I mean, this means a lot to me. Nice detail, I like that. But anyway, let's get to the sneakers. So you got your bag. Let me put this out the way. You got your Saint Laurent box. Another square engraving here, which I totally love. There you go. Let's see if I can focus on it. Comes with a black dust bag. I'm definitely feeling the black dust bag. I'm so used to receiving white or off-white or silver dust bags when I buy sneakers. So this is different. My first pair of sneakers that came with a black dust bag. I just like the, small subtle details. Even with the extra pair of shoestrings that comes with a pair of Saint Laurent sneakers. Small details like this is what I love. Comes in this little small mini dust bag. It's cool, it's cool. And now, the star of the show, SL10 highs in black and metallic gold. Let me just take this off real quick. Now, I have no complaints. These sneakers are lovely. I was debating between the I think one of the newer versions of Giuseppe's. It's like black or maybe dark navy blue velvet with the gold metal buckles, and it has a gold sole. I was debating between those and these, and decided to go with these, just because I've had a couple of Giuseppe's in the past, and I wanted something different. And like I said, no complaints here. These sneakers are, sleek. They just stand out. They're not doing too much, but it stands out. Very, very high quality leather. The leather is really something else on these. Let me see if I could. Then you have Saint Laurent Paris. Saint Laurent Paris in gold. Your waxed, or rather coated black shoestrings. I love, love, love coated black shoestrings. That's such a plus when it comes to footwear. Underneath you have your, let me see if I could zoom, your Saint Laurent Paris. The soles are off-white. It may look white on video, but really they're a little off-white. Not a big fan of white soles just because it gets dirty, and I'm all about low maintenance when it comes to sneakers. But I can manage with these. I keep my stuff well kept, so ain't not a big deal. Saint Laurent engraved in the back, and underneath it says what does that say? SL10 H, guess standing for high. Sneakers come stuffed with the black paper. And let me just show you the other pair right here. Let me see if I could get in the light. Nice coating on the shoestrings. Pretty glossy. Really, really nice shoe. And actually, let me take out the paper on this one so I could show you what the inside looks like. Let me use my other hand for this. Let's put in the light real quick. So it says once again, Saint Laurent Paris in gold. And can't see, is it on that side? Oh, it's on this side actually. Trying to work with one hand is a little difficult, but made in Italy, whatever, what the fuck, I don't care. Size 40, I believe that's the serial number. The numbers before the 40. So serial number followed by 40, which is the size I wear. Inside is complete leather, with the exception of the back of the tongue. The back of the tongue is it's a suede. Yeah, man. These sneakers are dope as fuck. Dope as fuck, man. And I mean, wow. And what else I have to show? So I showed the dust bag, showed the sneakers. Let me even the the receipt it came with. Let me find the receipt. 1 minute, guys. Came with a receipt. Oh, here we go. Comes in a nice black envelope. Saint Laurent. Let me gonna cover my name, but they retail for $6.45 and $57 tax, 57.24, 702. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. And then inside is my salesperson's card that salesperson gave me. But yeah, man, these sneakers are dope. Definitely a dope pair of sneakers. They're nice. I like it. If you're looking for something that's sleek, great quality, but stands out without being too gaudy and too over the top, go with Saint Laurent. Comes in black and red, black and metallic red, black and blue leather with black and metallic blue, or the other is black and metallic blue. They have a new I believe it's a khaki colorway that came out. It's khaki with black and off-white sole. They have the black on black croc ones that came out. Those retail for about $6.95. And then these gold ones, of course, that I just caught. But yeah, you know, just check the site out. Yeah, man, fire sneakers, can't complain. But anyway, if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to comment, you know, in the box below, whatever. I'm a stylist, so if you want to check out what I do, hit me up on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be happy to follow back. Instagram is Brandon Properly Fly. Once again, my Instagram is Brandon Properly Fly. Alright, I'm out.